Today in this video we will learn about how to allot free domain name with any hosting service plan in Whmcs. For that, log into Whmcs and then go to Setup, Product Services and then again Product Services section. Now click on the edit icon in front of any product that you would like to attach with free domain name offer. Now select the free domain option here. Under this option, you can select free domain service that is offer a free domain registration or transfer only. Just select one time and then select the TLDs of which you want to offer free domain name service. Now finally click on Save Changes.